Come on, look this way. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to capture an eastern rosella. Just landed somewhere there. Gotta be very careful because they're extremely timid. Fortunately, it must be high up in the canopy, so I can't see it. Oh, I can see it. Just behind that branch. It's so funny the way it's holding the leaf. Hopefully it's gonna come down a little bit closer. Oh, damn it. Stupid noise miner. Just scared it away. I got another one up there. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer. Must have had a bath. Look at all these noisy miners up there. I'm using manual focus now because there's just too much foliage. Oops, let's go this way. There's a cobweb there. Ooh, talk about not getting into a cobweb. Oh. Spider. Just waiting here in this area with the sun right behind me, giving me enough light. So if any birds come in, I might be able to capture a few in-flight shots. Settings are 3200 of a second, 7.1 is the aperture, and ISO 500 is enough, should be ample. So far no action. I almost missed. There's a little pied butcherbird right there. Try to get a little bit closer. Such a pity. There are branches in front of it. Slightly better angle. Turn around, I want some catch light. At least we got some shots. I mean, they're nothing special. The light is quite harsh at the moment. It's what, 3:10, but this is all about just coming out, enjoying nature. Got our friend back. It's not too far. Come on, it's better. There's a red Wattlebird there. I just heard some eastern rosellas again, but there are too many people around, unfortunately, and they are quite skittish. We've got a magpie there. Ooh, fighting. Damn it, I just missed it. little Tawny frogmouths are still there. They're so cute. They are nocturnal birds, so they only come out to hunt during the night. Let's grab a couple of stills as well. My life. I'll shoot at f7.1. Try to get both of them in focus. And let's see, 50th of a second. It's crazy that I can shoot even at 25th of a second at 400 millimeters with this EF 100 to 400 millimeter IS II. When just open its eyes, it looks so funny. We've got a magpie there. It's really nice. Just painting itself. I'm trying to get a little bit closer. Let's move the focus points to the top. Awesome, awesome. I probably could have used a lower ISO, maybe ISO 800 or 1000. I blew out the highlights on the wings a little bit, but it's not too bad. I can easily recover that. It's probably just a stop lower would have been ample enough. There's a Torresian crow there, just foraging on the freshly mowed grass. I'm gonna try and approach it. Get down a little low. Oh, damn it. Yeah, we got it, at least. Must have picked up a piece of bread or something. This is the same crow. So funny because I was shooting from the exact same spot last time I was here. I'm actually quite happy with one shot where the background was really nice and dark with a bit of bokeh. It's funny that it just returned. I'll try and get a backlit shot. Maybe use this foliage just to frame the shot. They're so beautiful. It's pretty cool. That's another corella for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV style bird photography vlog. I certainly did. When I went out this afternoon, I didn't have any high expectations, but I was quite happy with a few shots, especially of the Magpie that was perched on that fence. Some of those frames came out really well. And that last series of the long-billed corellas were amazing. I was so lucky that I managed to get really close to them and also close to the ground. So some of those shots with the foreground bokeh looked really nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and see you guys very soon in the next one.